What's up YouTube? Thanks for watching and thanks for coming back. Today's pre-running started out at AutoZone to get a readout for a check engine code since my local dealer can't be bothered to service the vehicle. No big deal, just wanted to make sure we could finish today's run with Hector. And we didn't even bother to check the bumper inventory since Hector's really in the market for a custom pre-runner bumper. So if any fabricators are out there watching and interested in making one, we would be happy to showcase it for you guys. You can get some air there. Let me know if you want to record a jump.
Yeah, maybe. That's pretty good.
You want to go back? I'm down.
Alright,
I'm turning around. I'll be off the road so don't trip. So my wife's been eager to learn to jump the truck, but we've been waiting on our Raptor to be finished so we could take advantage of the proper cage and proper seats for safety. Quick update though, it won't be ready for Baja like we thought, but Robbie Wood should have it operational before December. So between that and the spacers on the Zr2 that won't let me tuck the tires, I can't wait for your comments clowning our little jumps. Give it more gas, give it all the gas, all of it. You want to go harder?
Yes.
All right, she liked it. We're gonna do one more, a little harder. Oh, sorry, man. Why did he lock himself in? Did you lock yourself into the bed of the truck? All right, we're going. Give it all the gas, all the gas. Perfect. Yeah, see, it could do that all day long without damage.
But what about the motor?
Oh, well, yeah, but whatever.
Go back?
So for any beginners out there, you want to be completely on the gas approaching the jump until you leave the ground, just to help the truck land as flat as possible. Again, because the spacer that's getting close to pushing it for our setup today. Even your wife's minivan would drive home. You'll recognize this right-hand turn. This is the track, but there's another small little track inside of it. My bad, my bad. You feel a big difference, like how stable it is? Or compared to,
I'm starting to get a lot.
How much wider is it than the normal one?
Then yours?
Well, yeah, than stock. You don't know?
Inches total?
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Damn. Big ass GPS. And just briefly, in case you don't already know, it's a diesel Zr2. It's got a suspension from Baja kit. It's got a wide fender body kit from Fiberworks. It's got a vinyl wrap from Wrap Legacy, and it's sitting on 35-inch tires.
Yeah.
Damn, it feels nice and smooth. Hell yeah, Bush. Hell yeah. That's without the sway bar, huh?
Yeah.
And it only rolls at the very end.
Yeah.
Like once you start correcting it.
And then it catches.
Yeah.
As soon as the bypass
Yeah.
catches, it just stiffens up.
Yeah, yeah. No, it like flexes. It doesn't really like roll and throw you over.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
It's cool.
Like it's a nice like gentle.
Yeah, not mine. Mine still does it all flat.
Yeah.
But yeah, you're still digging in, like it's still control.
Yeah. Like.
Wow, yeah. Damn, dude, you get good steering and put good throttle input too for the diesel. The tune and everything, or
No,
the gears?
The gear. Well, keeping this.
What do you mean? Oh, manual?
Manual.
Yeah, so I could hold
Yeah,
it.
if I don't do manual.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
just like, it's all over the place.
All right, we'll head out. Let me just do it one more time, and then we'll keep pushing.
Cool.
You need her.
You want me to take pictures over there? You want me to go over there and take pictures on the corner?
If you want.
Yeah, go take pictures.
Yeah,
over
you want to let me know? Hell yeah.
there. You want me to be on the outside or inside?
The outside's probably better, but you're gonna get full of dust. Whatever you want, just let me know when you're ready. Yeah.
Ready when you are.
Copy, going. Yeah, totally.
Wow.
Yeah, I thought we were gonna need a push.
Oh, that's awesome.
And it's robbing power again. Well, I was hard on it right there though. Yeah, I can't believe how fast this truck fell for being diesel. Like he's got the tune and the re-gears and everything, but I was still thinking it'd be slow.
No.
Oh shoot, all right, well, we'll wait. Like, We're still in two-wheel drive because it's more fun, but remember how I was always scared to not abuse it so much, to not run it hard in four-wheel drive?
Right.
But yeah, with the beefier axles, they can take it more now.
Oh, that's good.
I looped back around to the beginning to redo it, so I went straight. But yeah, if you want, wait or whatever you want. A one-handed trick. Come on, Hector, I'm holding the radio. Alright, go Hector. Oh my god, that's awesome.
Are you feathering the gas too?
Yeah.
And the wheel, like you're doing?
Yeah, both. Like right there, yeah, I'll feather it, and then I went too far, so I'm just feathering it. Ah, bad demo.
No, that's good.
All right, what gear am I in? Third. All right, we have a right-hand turn. Yeah, see, once it's there, then you just feather it to hold. Because you don't want too much speed,
Right.
so you don't want too much traction. But like right there, I underdid it, and we straightened out before we didn't have enough speed.
Right.
But also watch on the left turn of right before you just feather the brake too. It locks it up and turns you. Watch right here, the left-hand turn. Let's all hit the brake. See how it turns you sideways?
Yeah.
Like you just start going towards whatever you're avoiding. Oh yeah, so that's braking. So that's why you just feather it, and it does the same thing.
But if you do brake, like unintentionally, like just as a reflex, then feather it kind of.
Yeah. That's why, like in those oh shit moments, just eat it. But yeah, don't brake because you're gonna hit it sideways, whatever you're trying to avoid.
Right.
At least the truck's holding good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't feel any lost power there.
Oh, good.
Well, it seems like whenever it wants to, huh? Oh, I was saying go ahead and pass me if you want. It's just a little drift track, so yeah, we'll loop around. Give gas. Shit, my foot's all the way down.
That's awesome.
Yeah. That was good and fast.
Yeah. Oh, that's really good.
Like, you see how I was going too fast, so I just brushed the brake to get me sideways. Yeah, my drift wasn't right. Call it out.
Holy shit.
The radio though. I got it.
Oh.
Oh, I thought we were leaving the fender guards there.
Oh, God, thank God.
Oh, he probably doesn't even feel these that bad either.
No, not the same as we do.
Robbie.
That'd be so much fun to turn.
He missed another turn. Yeah, I bet your truck feels good right here. I gotta slow down for everything.
I didn't feel anything.
Oh, God.
Asshole. Yeah, I noticed you didn't call out a lot of stuff for us. Yeah, it's crazy in four-wheel drive.
What a difference.
Yeah, it's just on, like it's on rails.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going way faster than I could stop if I see something.
Right.
See? Oh, shit. Oh, God, that looked way worse.
Bush.
16 miles to waypoint, 70 miles to target.
Yeah, this little road's awesome for him.
51.1 hours.
Yeah, we don't know the road that well, so yeah, we know there's booby traps on it.
Yeah.
Oh, gee.
Landmines.
Okay. There was a manhole cover right there.
I know. Weird, huh?
Yeah,
Coming out of there.
I know. Desert Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Oh, the desert.
Oh yeah, the tortoises.
Yeah.
They're all slow. They're sumo wrestlers instead of ninjas. Oh. That would have been terrible. Well, at least you go really fast and jump over both of them.
Yeah.
Damn, you feel how it pulls forward?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's way different in four-wheel drive. Of course, a proper review for the off-road axle should probably come down to long-term abuse results, so I'll keep you guys informed, but for now I love them and I'll start driving in 4-high more often. It does feel much faster and it does corner a lot better than with the stock Zr2 axles. So for now, thanks for watching, please subscribe and like, and you can follow us on Instagram for sneak peeks of what we're doing next, and until next time, keep practicing, keep building, and keep it dirty.